Good evening, everyone. I'm going to show you how to light a pilot light on your heater. This is a heater that I have, and the unit's under my house, so I'm crawling in this crawl space. So anyway, the idea here is number one: if you smell any gas, you shouldn't smell any gas. So you might have a leak. You need to get that checked out first, and you need to abort the mission, turn off everything. Don't try to continue on. Safety is number one. The switch over here has three settings. I'm gonna show you the switch. This switch, you have your off position, you have your pilot light, and then you also just have your burn, just your regular burn or your on. Different, but the idea right now is to put it in the pilot. Once we get it in the pilot, then we're gonna push and hold the button in while we try to light it. And I'm gonna show you that in just a second. First, you want to be able to find your pilot. So you find your pilot by looking at your control panel right here. Your control station, you're gonna see two wires, or really just one tube and one copper wire coming out of there. The copper wire is your thermostat, and then the tube that's coming out of there is the gas line. And right there on your control panel, you're also gonna see, you know, uh, a little Phillips head screwdriver style control, and that's gonna, if your pilot isn't big enough, your pilot has to wrap around your thermostat. I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute. Once we get it in the pilot, then we're gonna push and hold the button in while we try to light it. As you can see, I'm gonna light this incense with my left hand and right hand, and then I'm gonna take my right hand over to the control knob and go ahead and push the button in while I'm lighting the pilot. I'm gonna continue to hold the button in for 10 to 20 seconds, just depending. And then once I release the button, the pilot should stay lit. And then at that point, I want to turn the knob into the on position or the burn position, and your pilot's ready to go. After that, I put all my guards back on. Uh, Sometimes there's a switch in the bottom. Make sure, like a light switch, make sure that light switch is on. Then I'll go upstairs and turn on my thermostat, make sure I'm getting some heat. Thanks for watching.